Hey guys, it's Kirk here again with the World Monster Truck Alliance. Ready to do the third lineup video for this week. We're doing three videos, 3 weeks. They're all small 8-truck shows. To give you a feel for realism and how there's different shows going on across the country. And that's kind of how it is every week, especially during the winter time for a lot of these monster truck teams. So we're trying to give a little realism to that. I'm asking that if you sign up for my Uniondale show, which is this video here, that you don't sign up for Richmond or Youngstown to kind of give everybody a fair shot. With that stated, I'm going to go ahead and set the lineup here for Uniondale. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much what our lineup is. I'm going to go ahead and run it down one more time for you. We have American Guardian, Anger Management, Backdraft, Cadiac Arrest, Illuminator, Instigator, Nitemare Express, and Rambo. That's our field of trucks here for Uniondale. Once again, if you sign up for this event, please don't sign up for my Richmond or Youngstown event. Thank you for watching. Bye.